Ciao Tesla people, I wanted to do a video about my top 5 accessories that I installed on my Model Y. This is an update to a previous video, and the reason why is that I got a few accessories that I wanted to put on top of it if you're interested in buying accessories for your Model Y. The first one, as everyone should have, is the screen protector. So there is a plastic sheet here that covers the screen and protects it from scratches and small hits. Okay, I picked the matte one, so the reflection is not that much, and you can clearly view the screen and all the text and the videos and whatever. Okay, so this is the first one, and you should get this one as soon as you buy your Tesla. And don't remove the plastic that is on top of the screen when you buy the Tesla. Just wait until you get the screen protector, remove the plastic, install the screen protector, and it's pretty easy. The instruction of these products are very well done, and you will protect the screen for sure. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one, which you cannot really see, are the HEPA filters. So the Model Y has 4 filters in the front, in the Frunk, which are HEPA filters. 2 of them are HEPA. And then they have two filters that are installed down there. Okay, I made videos about that, how to install it. And I actually got the HEPA filter for the cabin too. Okay, so in total I have 6 filters. 2 are normal one, the other 4 are HEPA, which means the all air that comes inside the cabin are clean by HEPA filters. This is especially good if you live in a place where there is lots of pollution. Here in Florence we have pollution, and you can tell the difference from when you are inside the cabin and when you get out in the city. Okay, so that's very important. It's good for you. The third one is the one that I recently installed, is the 8.6 display in the rear, and it's this guy here. I just made a few videos to showcase how to do the installation, the Wi-Fi setup, and the last one was Prime Video. So I could connect to my Prime Video account from Amazon and stream movies. Okay, so the people there in the back, when we do road trip, can view a movie. I just bought two sets of headphones, Bluetooth headphones. So next video, probably I'm going to showcase the installation of these headphones and see if they work. I'm not sure. Hopefully, yes. And then the last 2 accessories are outside, and these are one is a must as soon as you buy the car, and the other one is it's a bit of a surprise. I got it from HaloBLK. It's the HaloDisc 2, and the other one is the Mudguards. And the HaloDisc allows me to save between 5 and 10% efficiency on the car. So each time I fill the car, I charge the car, I drive around, I get almost about 5%, between 5 and 10% of efficiency increase. Okay, let me show you the 2 products. Okay, so one are the Mudguards here. I have in the back and in the front, and these are the HaloBLK, HaloDisc version 2. So these guys, they cover the entire wheel rim, and they allow me to increase the efficiency of the car by 10% on long trips. So I tested, let me get back in because it's pretty hot. It's 34 degrees outside. So I installed that on all 4 wheels. And on long trip, like using the highway, so at 130 kilometers an hour, which is probably 70 75. I measured about 10% increase in efficiency. That means it's between 20 and 40 kilometers of increased range with the car. That's huge. I was very surprised because the advertiser has a 5% increase, but that of course depends from your speed. Higher is the speed, more efficient becomes the car with those wheels. Of course, there is the counterpart. More speed you have on an electric car, less efficient becomes. Okay, so that one, the covers help with increasing the efficiency, which is fantastic. I was very surprised. I think I was so on the long trip of more than 400 kilometers. I measured about, I would consume 229 watt-hour per kilometers. With the disc, it went down to 209, which is 20 watt-hour per kilometer is a lot. Okay, very happy about that. So I'm going to test again soon because I'm going on a long road trip. So we'll see this time with probably higher temperature. We'll see if increases or decreases this efficiency. We'll see. Anyway, these are my top 5 accessories and update. So the screen protector, the HaloDiscs on the wheels, the mudguards. You need those right away as soon as you buy the car. The HEPA filters, the installation is pretty easy. I made some videos about that. And the display in the back for other people. Okay, so let's see if anyone has a suggestion or which are your favorite accessories that you installed, or which one you would like to get or to see if I can test them. Okay, please check out my Tesla referral. The link is in the description. You can get a discount. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.